The last president to do what Senator Obama wants to do, raise taxes and restrict trade in a bad economy, was Herbert Hoover. That didn't turn out too well. They say those who don't learn the lessons of history are doomed to repeat them. Well, my friends, I know my history lessons, and I sure won't make the mistakes that Senator Obama will. We'll invest in all energy alternatives, nuclear, wind, tide, solar, and we will encourage the manufacture of hybrid flex fuel and electric automobiles. We will invest in clean coal technology. We will lower the cost of energy within months. We will create millions of new jobs. Now, my friends, let me give you the state of the race today and some straight talk. We have 22 days to go. We're 6 points down. The national media has written us off. Senator Obama is measuring the drapes and planning with Speaker Pelosi and Senator Reid to raise taxes, increase spending, take away your right to vote by secret ballot in labor elections, and concede defeat in Iraq. Our troops, my friends, I won't concede defeat. I'll bring our troops home with victory and with honor. But you know what they forgot? They forgot to let you decide. My friends, we've got them just where we want them. What America needs in this hour is a fighter, someone who puts all his cards on the table and trusts the judgment of the American people. I come proudly from a long line of McCains who believe that to love America is to fight for her. I have fought for you most of my life. There are other ways to love this country, but I've never been the kind to do it from the sidelines. I know you're worried. America is a great country. A crisis that will determine our future. Will we continue to lead the world's economies, or will we be overtaken? Will the world become safer or more dangerous? Will our military remain the strongest in the world? Will our children and grandchildren's future be brighter than ours? My answer to you is yes. Yes, we will lead. Yes, we will prosper. Yes, we will be safer. Yes, we will pass on to our children. We will pass on to our children a better, stronger country, but we must be prepared to act swiftly, boldly, with courage, with wisdom. I know what fear feels like. It's a thief in the night who robs your strength. I know what hopelessness feels like. It's an enemy who defeats your will. I felt those things once before. I will never let them in again. I'm an American, and I choose to fight. Don't give up hope. Be strong, have courage, and fight. Fight for a new direction for our country. Fight for what's right for America. Fight to clean up the mess of corruption, infighting, and selfishness in Washington. Fight to get our economy out of the ditch and back in the lead. Fight for the ideals and character of a free people. Fight for our children's future. Fight for justice and opportunity for all. Stand up to defend our country from its enemies. Stand up, and fight. America is worth fighting for. Nothing is inevitable here. We never give up. We never quit. We never hide from history. We make history. Now let's go win this election and get this country moving again. Thank you, and God bless you.